Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. It's been a long time, been a while since I haven't recorded anything. Well, in today's video, we are going shoes hunting for my daughter and my husband and maybe for myself, I'm not sure yet. Say hello. No, they're not in a good mood, they don't want to come.
I think that's my umbrella.
No, it's mine. Why? Say hello.
Hola.
So, we see you in a shoe.
Et elle tombe.
Falls, all those yellow leaves.
Et ouais, toutes les couleurs d'automne. Ah.
Which season is your favorite season?
Oui. Summer.
Summer?
Yeah, I go swim.
Well, my two favorite seasons.
Party, barbecue, apéro, and
My two favorite seasons, spring and winter. You know why?
no.
Because my birthday falls in the winter. And spring, I just like spring because pretty flowers everywhere.
The summertime 24 hours.
Summertime depends on which country I'm in.
Summertime.
Aha! Yeah, I kind of like autumn too. When the color, pretty color leaves them now.
Me kind of like all of the season then except winter. Except if me go to snow, ski. That's super nice. That's not yet.
So then it takes so long to figure out the first parking. 280 weekly first one can't go. D'accord. That's what I'm supposed to nice ride on. Don't you?
No.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a, ma choquinette? In Miramas. Village de Mar. It's a dog, look like it squeeze up. And now we're finally here.
Il va être surpris dessus. Si t'as pas de sous, t'as pas le droit de dessus.
Nike Marco Polo. Hop là. Nike film me first. Since we didn't want the Nike. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a, Jamal?
Vas-y, je pense que je vais la faire de Paul ou pas.
Elle ressemble de dos à la
Nike shoe. This one here.
Oh, des bleus.
Avec les ones, avec tous les cœurs.
Tout petit.
gros petit.
Black.
Déjà, et ça, il a pris tout.
Wow, that's nice. Let me see. Wow.
Nice, huh? Huh? No?
Yes, that looks nice. That looks professional.
Definitely professional. 70 euros. Waouh! Avec ça, tu es sûr que ton pied il est bien tenu là. Là, si tu te casses la cheville avec ça, t'es vraiment nul. Allez, garçon, on va voir les autres magasins. Et t'as dit,
Ah, merci. Size bag. Made in Vietnam. That's nice. €49 or €50. No size there. What size is that?
43.
43? And only this color coming up?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Celle-là.
Ouais.
Ah oui, look Mathieu. You like this one?
La version petite.
Oui, ça c'est tout petit. J'en ai plus 14. Come, we're going to look at the next side. Come, we're going to look at the other side, yeah? On va regarder de l'autre côté, mais viens. Maya? Wow. Right, look now.
Hein?
Very white, look now. Il y a quoi? This is super nice, huh, Maya? But you want something pink? Let me see a t-shirt. A t-shirt, Matthew. Let me see a t-shirt. Boss, woman, boss. Come to Maya. A meal figure here, so. Starbucks coffee, but it's closed today. No, it's not closed. The entrance is over there. This black girl right here, so oh my god, her skin is so nice.
Allez. On y va. Qui m'aime, monsieur?
Maya, no. Give it to me. Come, Jamoy. Jamoy. Jamoy, viens là. Zekunders. Why you have to try turn over that?
C'est fast.
Wow. Let me see it. Oh. You look nice, huh? You like it? You like it?
One size, one better,
I think it's too low.
huh?
I think it's too low. The waist part, that's all.
This one, my
Okay, what up on again? Voilà. You look nice?
Let me try. Look,
Look nice, huh? Et dit bonjour, Jamal. Dis bonjour, monsieur. Oui.
volé.
You give him the paper? Aha, Mathieu. Me like this one. Well, take medium, but a small, take medium. Come on.
Mettre le flash.
Diesel.
Oh, if you're looking at these.
Not really. I'm not really a big fan of diesel. Wow, the pink and color sweater, they look nice, huh? See, good.
Allez, viens.
Elle dit c'est quoi l'expression? Elle a dit c'est quoi un bras?
Ça veut dire que ça coûte très cher. Tu vendrais un bras, toi? C'est bon, là?
Là, il y a un rond-point, donc tu fais le tour combien de fois?
Et là, il y a marqué quoi, là?
Ça, c'est par là.
Salon de Provence. Hop, on rentre dans le salon.
On rentre dans le salon.
T'as marqué Jean Casino.
On est déjà à salon.
Là, on est à salon.
What?
Nous sommes à salon.
Let me see it. Walk. Two different shoes you have on. One booty looking and I don't know which one I like. Because I like the two of them. Allez, walk, minute, walk. Walk. Go girl. I don't know.
Comment il va rentrer là-dedans pour le gros pied? Allez, pousse.
Énorme pied. Ça va mieux.
You like this one? Amaya?
Attends, mets-toi debout et marche avec. Fais voir.
Wow, Maya. Wow.
Lesquelles tu préfères? Celle-là ou les noires?
Les deux.
Ah, that's my girl. Matthew, so which one I prefer? Maya said to throw them. Try not the next food pan harvest it.
Elle est pas folle, maman.
J'ai un nouveau machin.
Plus the mattress that we should have on.
Les deux, elle m'a répondu, ma fille. Elle m'a dit les deux.
The mattress that we should have on.
C'est bon, j'ai gagné. J'ai gagné.
Allez, tu vas te mettre debout et tu vas me faire un petit défilé de mode, ok? Tu vas me faire un petit défilé de mode? Allez.
Let me get up now and walk here, so.
Allez,
What?
Allez. Turn, Maya, turn. Come back. You like it? Maya? Turn to know?
pas chouette. Elles sont trop chouettes.
She like it? Me like it too. And could I find something like this in this one?
Eh ben, je peux te donner the other one.
But you sure want the two of them?
And them cheaper.
Just sure want the two of them? Oh.
Buy the two of them. To you. Alright, take the two of them, like that chicken change and you can swear with them.
But me like this one I should have on bad super cute now.
Allez viens, donne-moi ta clé toi. On enlève ça, on remet tes petites baskets. Alors, les deux il faut. C'est vrai ça?
C'est la...
Oui, il y a Camille.
Alors, celui qu'elle veut mettre.
Ouais, tu vois ton véhicule.
Let me see it. This one now.
You like it?
Yeah.
Too fucking nice.
No? Put your 2 foot then together and low.
You're going to see. I prefer them. Remember me that you're like that.
That definitely look too long. And this one, maybe this one won't look so long. Maya, you like this? You like this? You like this one? Yes, no? Take this one or this one? Take this one or this one? Maya, for this one. Can I work for this one? Merci.